Hello friends, I'm Dr. Harshalata Ladda, Samarth Hospital, Aurangabad. These are my basic videos regarding infertility and fertility of a couple. So today we are going to talk about basics of fertility, means how conception occurs in a female body. In this, I'm going to talk about the fertilization in very simple and systematic way. Instead of using scientific words, I'm using common language so that you should be aware of how fertilization occurs. So what happens when the menses of a female comes? From that day, at least 1 or 2 eggs start growing in the ovary. Once the egg matures to its maximum size, that time that egg is ruptured, and when this egg is ruptured, that time the fallopian tube, the projections of the fallopian tubes, finger like projections of the fallopian tube pick up the egg, and at the same time if the couple has contact, that time sperms are released in the vagina of the female genital tract. From that position, sperms goes into the uterine cavity and they travel to fallopian tubes. When millions of sperms are released in the vagina, that time thousands go into the uterus, and out of that thousands, only few hundreds can reach in the fallopian tube. But out of those hundreds, only one sperm is responsible for fertilization. Only one healthy sperm can penetrate the egg and form the embryo. That means the embryo is formed in the fallopian tube. From the fallopian tube, after formation of the embryo, that travels back to the uterus and it gets implanted over there and it grows there. So the basic requirement for the fertilization to occur is normal fallopian tubes, open fallopian tubes. There should be ovulation of the egg, so ovaries should be functioning normally. Then there should be contact at the time of the ovulation. Sperms, number of sperms and motility of sperms should be normal. Then sperms should go in the uterus as well as in the fallopian tubes. That's why if all these procedures are in a systematic manner, then only patient can conceive. If there is some problem at any place, then that patient cannot conceive. That patient has a problem with conception. So this is regarding fertilization and fertility of the patient. In next few videos, I am going to talk about the causes of infertility, what are the different treatment modalities, and how those procedures are performed. So be tuned with me and watch my next videos so that you will come to know what are the treatment modalities and how can you proceed for the treatment. Thank you.